Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down one of the easiest online video editors you can use, Veed.io. If you're a creator, marketer, or just someone who wants fast professional edits without downloading heavy software, this tutorial is for you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Veed.io like a pro. So, what exactly is Veed.io? It's a free, web-based video editor loaded with templates, screen recording tools, automatic subtitles, and even AI-powered features. Everything runs right in your browser, so you don't need any installation or a powerful computer to get started. Before we jump in, here's a super quick look at the pricing. The free plan gives you unlimited 720p exports, but adds a watermark. The basic plan removes that watermark and lets you export in 1080p, plus you get 720 minutes of auto subtitles. The Pro plan unlocks translations, stock audio, AI tools like text-to-speech, and 1,440 minutes of subtitles. And the business plan bumps that up to 8,000 minutes, custom templates, and 4K exports. If you're just starting, the free or basic plan is more than enough. Now, let's get into how to actually use Veed.io. First, head over to Veed.io and click Start for free. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, or email. You can explore without creating an account. But keep in mind, you won't be able to download your final video unless you sign in. Once you're inside, you'll land in your workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll see your main tools, templates, my videos, and the brand kit if you're on a premium plan. Let's select a template. Browse categories like podcasts, mockups, sales, training, or social media. If you're creating something like a reel, type Instagram in the search bar, choose portrait orientation, and pick a layout you like. Now it's time to edit. Upload your own footage, pick stock clips, or even record your screen or camera directly. Veed lets you detach audio, reduce background music volume, for example, setting it around 14%, or add a voiceover. You can also adjust speed, trim clips, or completely replace the audio track. One of the strongest features is subtitles. Just click auto transcribe for instant AI captions, or choose manual if you prefer to type them yourself. If you already have subtitles, you can upload an SRT file too. It's fast, it's simple, and everything updates in real time. And that's it. That's how you can start using Veed.io, even as a complete beginner. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.